Hello and welcome back to the channel. Got another custom video for you today. If you recognize this is the lifted truck from the Boulevard series. That's what it looked like before when we took that suspension off in the last video and put it on a different 83 Silverado. But I really like the way this one looked lowered. Really liked it. So I wanted to put some real riders on it. Looked around at what was available, and there really wasn't too much available outside of some more of these at my local store. And so these were the rims I had to work with. Now I like the ones on the bone shaker. And hey, Leo. I like the ones on the bone shaker, but I like the chrome lip around these more. So, but then again, also because of the size of these, I didn't want to put the real small ones up front. So I had to get two of these so I could rob the back wheels off, and then I'll still have the front wheels to put on a different one. Hey, buddy, I'm shooting the video, okay? Yeah, Mama knows about that. I promise you. Okay. Yeah, it's broken. So anyway, hey, I'm shooting a video. Okay, thank you. So anyway, I already got these drilled apart. So there's that. Take a little flathead screwdriver and try to pry this open a little bit. Harder to do on camera and watch the camera at the same time, but hopefully y'all are seeing that. And you just pry that back a little bit and that pops right out. Repeat that same thing here. This one's a little bit more closed up, but you just want to get your flathead. All right, hang on a second. This one's just a little bit more sealed up. A little bit more material here. Hang on one second. Pull this out of frame so I can really see what I'm doing here. All right, let me pause this. I'll come back when I've got that one. There's just so much more extra material on that one. It's a little bit harder. So there's the wheels that we're going to put on the truck. Let's get this truck taken apart. And remember, when I do it, I don't put screws or glue on mine so that I can take them apart. I try to leave enough material to do that. So anyway, you got those there and those there. I don't ever like to some people just push up on these. I don't ever like to do that because it ruins them if you want to put them on something else. And a lot of people, these will just pop off or whatever. But you got to widen them out to get the new ones on anyway. So I just go ahead and do it. Once again, these are a little bit tighter. These are plastic too, not metal. So they're more likely to break than bend. So just be very careful and just keep working at it. And that one's closed. There we go. Just gonna work it back and forth. All right, this one's also gonna have to be done a little bit off camera, so just bear with me here as I do it.
Rộng loud.
Okay, turn it down some.
Oh boy. Louder now. Uh-oh.
And that just pops right on out of there. So, now your new ones. And I always try to choose ones that are wide enough to where I don't have to make new axles. There's several different videos on ways to make new axles if you do end up having to do that. But that's not in this one. This casting also has things to hold the front down more, and the bed of it there holds that down. And like I said, those rivets pop back on there, and that's not going to come off. So there is that one. We got that with real riders on it now. Those look really good. Let me get a lower shot of it there. Level with the table. Rolls. So there you go. Another custom. This is just a wheel swap on here. Turned out looking great. I mean, that's just, that casting looked like it was made to be lowered. So there you have it. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you like this type of content, leave a like. On the last video, I had the comments turned on, so I'll try that again for this video. So y'all can comment other types of videos that you want to see. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram. It'll all be down in the description, all the info. But the Instagram is Hot Wheels Kid at Heart. Or, I forget, I'll tag the Instagram because it's like underscore somewhere in there. Hot Wheels underscore Kid at Heart or something like that. But I'll make sure to tag it in the description. Y'all follow me on Instagram. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys next time.